This quick tutorial shows how to buy shares of Nicox SA, a French biopharmaceutical company focused on ophthalmic treatments. Nicox trades on Euronext under the ticker ALCOX.PA. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ALCOX.PA to find the listing. Confirm you select the Nicox SA entry that shows Euronext as the market. Open the Nicox asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Check the company description and the ALCOX.PA ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may become pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.